in continuation of the allotropes of carbon, now let us see another allotropes of carbon, that is diamond. Now, graphite is the most stable allotrope, but whereas diamond is the oddest element. One. Next, a carbon atom is here is sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Understand? So now it is covalently linked to 4 other carbon atom by sigma bonds. The one more question. The carbon single bond carbon distance is bond length is 1.54 angstrom unit. Now each carbon is covalently linked to 4 other carbon atom by tetrahedral arrangement or tetrahedrally arrangement that will extend to the entire lattice. Then what do you mean by lattice? So lattice means highly ordered arrangement of atoms is called lattice. Highly ordered arrangement of atoms is called lattice. Now, since 4 electrons are involved, there is no free electron for conductivity. Only the conductivity of a conductivity is due to the movement of the free electrons. But here 4 electrons are involved in the bonding, hence there is no free electron, hence there is no free electrons for conductivity. There is one more question. Then being hardest element, it can be used for sharpening any hard tools, cutting glass, then machines and rock drilling. So these are about 3 marks for diamond. Once again, the key point is hardest element, sp3 hybridized carbon atom, tetrahedrally arranged by 4 other carbon atom covalently, the bond distance 1.54. Since 4 electrons are involved, there is no free electron for conductivity. Then the uses. Okay. So now fullerene. It is also for 3 marks question. Here another type of allotrope have been synthesized is fullerene. Okay, not now there is another allotropy of fullerene, and unlike graphite and diamond, these allotropes are discrete molecules, that is exist as a separate molecules, that is the meaning, such as C32, then C30, then C50, then C32, C50, C60, C70 and C76 for one more question. Okay, then now if you see the diagram, they have cage-like structure, one mark. Then that C60 molecules have saucer ball-like structure, and hence it is called Buckminster fullerene. One more question. And has a fused ring consisting of, that is very, very important for NEET question also, 26-member ring and 12 5-member fused ring. Okay. Then another is each carbon is sp2 hybridized form of carbon atom. Each carbon atom is sp2 hybridized, and these are all covalently linked with a sigma bond and a delocalized bond giving discrete, get a discrete sigma bond, and another is the pi bond, which have an aromatic character, which a bond distance of single bond C is 1.44 angstrom and C double bond is 1.38 angstrom. So this means it has a both sigma bond and a pi bond, because it has a both aliphatic as a aromatic. That is called fullerene. Next is carbon nanotubes. Another allotropy is carbon nanotubes. Nano means very, very small quantity, traced in small quantity. That is called nano tubes like structure. So this is one more question. This type of allotropic form have graphite like tubes with fullerene ends. Graphite like tubes and fullerene, both, they have both structure like this one, graphite structure, as well as fullerene at the ends, fullerene ends. That along the axis, very, very important, it is along the axis only, it is stronger than steel. Understand? And it can conduct electricity and used in nanometer. No, used in nano, nano, in nanogram in catalysis, polymers, etc. So for 2 marks question. Then final is graphene. So graphene is a single planar sheet of sp2 hybridized and closely packed like a honeycomb structure. Like a honeycomb structure. That is honeycomb like structure is for 1 mark question. Okay, once again, graphene has single planar sheet. Graphene has single planar sheet. Understand? And planar and have honeycomb lattice structure. So that is lattice structure. So already what do you mean by lattice? Highly or lattice. Crystals. Crystal means which are definite geometrical shape. That is called crystals. Lattice means that is which have highly ordered arrangement of the atoms. So if you see the diagram, it is a honeycomb like structure means that is the atoms are well orderly arranged like a honeycomb crystal for entire crystal lattice. So that is about. So these are all about the allotropes of carbon. Once again, recall all these. Suppose if they ask for 3 marks question means what are the allotropes of carbon means you just write the name graphite, then diamond, then Buckminster fullerene or fullerene, then next is carbon nanotubes and graphene. Now key point once again for important for 1 mark question, in graphite it is stable form 1 and it is sp2 hybridizes, then bond length 1.41 which is close to benzene like structure 1.40. Understand? So it has what good conductor of electricity and the distance between the two consecutive flat hexagonal sheets is 3.40. Okay, enough. Then diamond just now we have discussed, that is each carbon is tetrahedrally covalent to 4 other carbon atom and the bond distance is C, single bond distance is 1.54. That is since it has no free electron, that it does not conduct electricity. That is the meaning for that. Then fullerene just now it has to exhibit synthesis as a separate discrete. Understand? Discrete forms like various types like C32, C30, C60, C50, C60, 70 and 76. C60, understand, they have saucer ball like structure, hence it is called Buckminster fullerene, and it has fused close rings like 26 membered and 12 5-membered rings and sp2 hybridization and gives sigma bond, 3 sigma bond, understand, decollized and pi bond giving the aromatic character. Distance 1.44 and double bond distance C double bond is 1.38. Then carbon nanotube has both graphite like structure, tubes like structure and fullerene ends. Both graphite and fullerene ends. That is important. Then along this axis, it is another 1 mark question. It is stronger than steel. Understand? And also conduct electricity. Then graphene is a single planar sheet and sp2 hybridization and localized, and it is a densely closed packed like honeycomb structure. Okay, so these are all about this one. Allotropes of carbon. Thank you.